Good morning, children. Hope all are fine. Things are going well. Okay? Today we are going to learn a new topic, atomic structure. 4th chapter, 8th standard chemistry, atomic structure. Now, some of you have a question mark. What's about 2nd and 3rd chapter? Am I correct? The 2nd and 3rd chapter are excluded. Our council this 2020 and 21 due to pandemic corona. Okay, children? So, we are going to learn 4th chapter, atomic structure. Okay, children? Now, our topic, atomic structure. If you want to learn atomic structure, first you know about atom. Okay, we already learned what are atoms. Did you remember it? Atom are indivisible, tiniest particles present in matter. Am I correct? The building block of all types of matter. That means solids, liquids and gases. All types of matters contains atoms. Then only I use the word, the building block. Okay? The building block of all types of matter consists of atoms. Okay, children? Now, what's our aim? To study the structure of an atom. Am I correct? Okay. So, it is very important to know about the atom and its structure, because we know everything on this earth is made up of atoms. Okay? Not only that, the atom of an element that takes part in chemical reactions. Okay? Now, we are going to discuss about the structure of an atom. Okay? In the olden days, the scientists were believed atoms are very small size. So, the atoms are indivisible particle. Indivisible. Then later they identified atoms also divisible. Atoms also divisible. Then the work of different scientists. Okay. The hard work behind different scientists got the way about the atoms are divisible. Okay, children? So, there are 3 subatomic particles present inside an atom. What are they? One is electron, second one is protons, third one is neutrons. Okay, right? These are the 3 subatomic particles. What are they? Electrons, protons, neutrons. Okay, children? So, how the scientists were identified the particles electrons, protons and neutrons? In this case, first there is one scientist, William Crookes. William Crookes conducted one experiment, discharge tube experiment. The discharge tube contains a glass tube. Inside the glass tube, all air is fully removed. Okay? Then 2 terminals are connected at the 2 ends. One terminal, negative terminal, that is cathode. other one terminal, positive terminal, that is anode. Okay. Now that is electrical circuits are connected as shown in the figure. Okay children. At that time when the current is applied, the scientist William Crookes observed there are some blue color rays which are emitted from cathode. At that situation, he connected two plates, one positive plate and one negative plate. One positive plate and one negative plate at two ends. These rays emitted from cathode deflected towards positive plates. Positive plates. What is the meaning? We know negative charges are attracted by positive. Okay, opposite charges are attracted. So, the emitted particles are negative rays. That's our cathode rays. Okay, children. In this way, cathode rays were found. After that, one scientist, J.J. Thomson, one scientist, J.J. Thomson, identified the cathode rays contains some smallest particles. That particles are known as electrons. Understand? The particles are electrons. The negatively charged particles found inside the cathode rays are electrons. Now what is the charge of electron? Negative charge. What is the mass of an electron? Negligibly small mass. Negligibly small. That is very, very, very small. Okay children? Now we know every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. Am I correct? So the cathode, some rays are emitted from cathode. So surely some rays are emitted from anode. Isn't it? So the anode emitted some rays. That rays are known as anode rays. These anode rays were discovered by the scientist Goldstein. So inside the anode rays some particles are found. That particles are known as protons. Now, what is the charge for proton? The charge for proton is positive charge. Okay, the proton has some mass. It has some unit mass. But the charge is positive charge. Okay, children? Then, after that electrons and protons, that is some other one scientist, Rutherford was conducted one experiment. That experiment is known as gold foil experiment. Through this gold foil experiment, the scientist found there is an empty space found inside an atom. Okay, most space are empty inside an atom. Okay, suppose a playground. Okay, a large playground. There is a small tennis ball is found inside the playground. Okay, comparing the size of the playground and the tennis ball. Like that, atom is a playground. Then the ball is an nucleus. There is a smallest space. Positive mass is occupied in the center. The positive mass is known as nucleus. Okay children? That is nucleus. So where is nucleus is situated? Nucleus is situated at the center of the atom. Okay, at center of the atom, a positive mass is concentrated. That is known as nucleus. Okay children? Now, inside the nucleus, there are some particles are found. Okay, that particles are known as neutrons. Okay, that particles are known as neutrons. The neutron has no mass, but the neutron has no charge, but they have some definite mass which is equal to proton. Okay children, now inside the atom. In the olden concept, atoms are indivisible. Later, many scientists were proved inside the atom, electrons, protons and neutrons are present. These three are subatomic particles. The electron charge is negative charge, the proton charge is positive charge, the neutron charge is no charge. No charge. Electron mass negligibly small, proton unit mass, neutron also has mass. Okay children, this one is the just introduction about an atom. Okay, right?